Hey, g'day fellow Bogans. This is especially for the Australian viewers, mate. So I want to expose my inner Bogan. Today, I'm actually getting rid of the Amarok. Great ute, but boring as shit to drive. So it's only the 2-litre engine. So it's going. I'm going to pick up another car today. And you might as well come along for a ride. Got nothing else to do. So plan is ride the Harley out there, throw the Harley into the back of the car. That's already giving it away a little bit. Straight to Bob Jane T-Mart to Boganise my new vehicle. So come along for the day. Should be a fun one. Today is also new helmet day. So I've got this M2R adventure helmet. So going to give it a crack. Yeah, comfy. Let's see how it goes on the road. What an idiot. So the soundproofing is amazing, but get this, I was about to go, I can't see. People guys going by for a ride. I've got to take the clear plastic off the lens. I was going, my eyes are all funny, I can't see shit. You can't see shit because you can't see shit. Look at all these guys. Because I bloody left the clear lens on here. Dickhead. Oh, that might make a difference, eh? I'm going to take a back road from Bow Desert to like the back of Ipswich. It's called Wyatt Road. So it's out near Flagstone. So it's about 40 k's of dirt road this way. So yeah, I haven't got my chin mount today, so I'm just going to run the camera on the front of the bike up high and show you what it's like. Let's go. So you can go through here. It says closed gate, but I'm going to come back and do this ride another time. I got another mission to get done today. Right, I'm going to do a Yui. Yeah, I'll come back here for a ride, eh? This is pretty cool. So that road goes through, but I think it's still a no-through road, but there's a gate you can go through a bit further, but we'll check that out another time. This is not this first peak, but there's one around the back of it. It's called Flinders Peak, which we've, I dragged wifey up there one day for a walk, so that was pretty cool. This is like 10 minutes from home as well, eh? This is just out the backside of Bow Desert, so see how busy it is. I did see 2 adventure bike guys that were, sorry guys if you watch this video, but one of you was right on the opposite side of the road around a blind corner, so tisk. Stay in your lane, as they say. But because if it wasn't me on a bike and it was a guy in a truck, you'd probably be on his bull bar now, so just saying. Righto, let's ride on and Bogan Day continues. You know what, I've just realised I'm using the word Bogan. So if anyone that's a Harley Davidson rider not in Australia, Bogan is a very generic term. It's not, Danny Hayes doesn't own that word. It is, we're all Bogans if we're, you know, into motorbikes and cars and shit. So that's what we are as Bogans. So I'm not trying to be Danny Hayes. I'm not trying to be $1 Million Bogan. Just saying the word, it's a common word here in Australia. So Bogan on. Just near Amberley Air Base. They're out here training with the jets. Oh mate, how cool is that? Bog stock Falcon Ute. So throw the bike in the back, we'll head off to Bob Jane and throw some pretty looking sneakers on this thing. Bogan, you got to tough the thing up a bit. So we are done. Thanks Bob Jane and Narang and Hardy. Rang him the other day. I said I'm going to get some bigger wheels for the Falcon. He goes, yeah, got them coming.